Welcome to Nyam Nyam. You're going to love this hidden heart cupcake recipe. I said love because it's full of hearts, literally. Let's start by making the pink cake mixture for the hearts. We're adding in 200 grams of butter and 200 grams of sugar. Whisk them up together. And crack in 2 large eggs. Whisk again. Now squeeze in some vanilla essence, approximately 1 teaspoon, and add in 150 grams of plain flour. Mix that all together. Now add your pink food colouring. Pretty in pink. Look at that! Right, your cake mixture is ready to go in the oven. So let's put it into a cake tin which we have lined with some baking paper. That's to make sure the cake doesn't stick. And bake it at 160 degrees for 20 minutes. It should come out looking something like this. Let's just slice off the top so we have a flat surface to work with. Now we have a heart-shaped cookie cutter and we're going to cut out our pink hearts. And the great thing about this is you can eat the rest all up. No need for leftovers. Right, let's make the next cake mixture. It's the same process, 200 grams of butter, 200 grams of sugar whisked together, then 2 large eggs, whisk that together. Then add in half a teaspoon of vanilla essence, 50 grams of plain flour with 100 grams of self-raising flour. Whisk it all up. We don't need food colouring this time. We're going to spoon this into our cupcake holders. We want to fill each holder about 2/3 of the way. And then just stick in your pink heart cakes. Right in the middle there of each cupcake. Now time to bake at 170 degrees for 18 to 20 minutes. And they are ready. Let them cool and pipe on some buttercream icing. This is how we make the heart in the middle a surprise. We've got some red fondant hearts to stick on top as a decoration. One on each side, touching in the middle. Cut right down the centre. And there you have it. Your beautiful inner heart. Told you were going to love it.